physiology topic on body planes and sections. But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button so you don't miss any of my upcoming lectures. The transparent glass-like plates in this figure dividing the body into parts represent cuts or sections that can be made along a particular axis or line of orientation called a plane. There are three major planes that lie at right angle to each other. They are called sagittal, coronal, and transverse or horizontal planes. Literally hundreds of sections can be made in each plane, and each section made is named after the particular plane along which it occurs. For example, the transverse plane in this figure is shown dividing the individual into upper and lower part at about the level of the umbilicus. Many other transverse sections are possible in parallel transverse planes. A transverse section through the knees would amputate the lower extremities at that joint, and a transverse section through the neck would result in decapitation. Sagittal. A lengthwise plane running from front to back divides the body or any of its parts into right and left sides. If a sagittal section is made in the exact midline, resulting in equal and symmetrical right and left halves, the plane is called a mid-sagittal or median sagittal plane. Next is coronal. A lengthwise plane running from side to side divides the body or any of its parts into interior and posterior portions, also called a frontal plane. Transverse. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. Show your support by subscribing to my channel. A crosswise plane divides the body or any of its part into upper and lower parts, also called a horizontal plane. In this figure, it shows the organ of abdominal cavity as they would appear in the transverse or horizontal plane or cut through the abdomen. In this addition to the actual photograph, a simplified line diagram helps in identifying the primary organs. Note that the organs near the bottom of the photo or line drawing are in a posterior position. The cut vertebra of the spine, for example, can be identified in its position behind or posterior to the stomach. The kidneys are located on either side of the vertebra. They are lateral and vertebra is median. On many figures, you will notice a small compass rotator similar to those of geographical maps. It is to make the anatomical figures a little easier to read. Rather than being labeled N, S, E, and W, the anatomical rotator is labeled with abbreviated anatomical directions. A for anterior, I for inferior, L opposite to right, left, L opposite M lateral, M medial, P posterior, R right, and S superior. The brain is an internal organ that shows bilateral symmetry. If cut into halves using a mid-sagittal section, the right and left sides will almost identical mirror images in their appearance. As you can see, an understanding of directional terms and body planes or section is required to fully appreciate and interpret the anatomical illustrations. So let's get a quick check. List and define three major planes that are used to divide the body into parts. Number 2. List the 9 abdominal regions and 4 abdominal pelvic quadrants. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.